Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, September 9th, and we are looking at window traders, market profile of SPY, IWM, and triple Qs. And as you can see, we've traded all over yesterday's range here, pre-market. Look at this. Unbelievable. Overnight, we traded higher from 4 to 8. Now we've been all over the place. We had a wide POC below us, about 8 wide, only to rally all the way back. And by the way, look where we're trading. Exactly where my line in the sand is. That's B's low for 2 reasons. It's last week's low, but even more important than that, that's the bottom of the 6-day balance that we came out of to the downside. So even though we closed slightly inside of it, again, one day doesn't make a market. So this, are they going to battle over it? Well, that's where our POC was yesterday. So it looks like possibly, at least for the morning, we could battle it. We have another bond auction today. We have like 3 Fed speakers. Again, none of that really means much to me. The algos will get excited on the bond auction, or maybe something that one of the Fed guys say. Obviously, the big one is Powell. And then again, the Fed decision and press conference towards the end of this month. The ECB is also meeting this morning. Pre-market volume pretty light at 235,000, so this has been moving all over the place on light volume. The only destinations I'll give you are the 2 overnights. You should have the ones I gave last night. 450.96 as of now is my overnight high, and 449.10 the overnight low. As far as game plan, all 3 of these really, I mean, in balance, in value for now. Again, there's 75 minutes to go. So there's not much of a play. Don't forget, Russell did have a double distribution day yesterday. So any push up towards C, F, or G's high, you could certainly take a short out if accepted into the upper distribution, which is A's low on up. Triple Q's also afternoon rally high in J. Now, can you take a short against L's high? You can. Any acceptance above it, I would be out, because then yesterday's high would be in the cards. Obviously, the Bull's job is to take out yesterday's high and go from down to balance in the daily. As far as the Bears, they want to keep it below yesterday's high, keep the daily down, and more importantly, stay below the 6-day balance. Remember, anybody who's still long for those prior 6 days, they didn't all get out yesterday. But if you keep getting acceptance below that 6-day balance, well, then you can have more of them get out, and then the shorts pile on. But once again, huge battle area right here. So again, not much of a play here. Possible short against L, out above it. Long play, nothing right here. Again, in the next 75 minutes, we'll see if anything changes drastically, but something tells me we might battle this for a while before we get some resolution to whether the Bears or Bulls want to control the day. And then just quickly on the chart, the weekly came into balance, 3-week balance, so any acceptance below that, below last week's low, and I am still targeting 445.14 last week, the previous week's low from that. Remember, inside of that, we still have the single prints to deal with that we got rejected from the 27th, and then you would also have the 20-day moving average, which is at 447.66 right now. So not much lower than where those single prints fill. So it would be interesting if we get into them again and fill them. I would think we should test the 20-day moving average. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.